In this video we're going to look at the steps to becoming a hacker. But before we get started, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single upload. Who is a hacker? Hackers are unauthorized users who break into computer systems in order to steal, change, or destroy information, often by installing dangerous malware without your knowledge or consent. Their clever tactics and detailed technical knowledge help them access the information you really don't want them to have. There are three types of hackers. These are the white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and gray hat hackers. The only differences between these three hackers is that the white hat hackers are the good guys, black hat hackers are the bad guy, and the gray hat hackers are in between. Let's take a look at the steps involved in becoming any type of hacker you want to be. Step 1. Install Kali Linux OS on your device. Kali Linux is an OS for hacking, and it's also equipped with over 600 hacking tools for penetrating, cracking passwords, testing, and other cybersecurity. All these tools will make your hacking career easier. Kali Linux helps in information gathering, vulnerability analysis, wireless attacks, web applications, exploitation tools, stress testing, forensics tools, sniffing, and spoofing. Kali Linux allows you to run it live from a USB drive without installing it on your device. The next step in becoming a hacker is learning computer programming. Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result or to perform a specific task. There are over 300 programming languages, but you don't need to know them all, and you'll find that each language serves a specific purpose. There's no last step to becoming a hacker because there are many ways of becoming one. You just have to get used to ethical hacking tools to help you gather information, crack passwords, and creating backdoors and payloads. We will be reviewing the top 10 ethical hacking tools in 2021 in our next video, so to make sure you don't miss it, hit the subscriber button and turn on notifications.